Hi, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Okay, so in this video, I want to talk to HTML and CSS. I will answer four important questions. Yes. Number one, what is this HTML? Yes. Number two, what is this CSS? And number three,
why HTML and CSS are not programming.
number four, where is the HTML and CSS used? Number one, HTML it is this title text maker language, yes, and important HTML is not programming, yes, it is not programming, and so it is this make up the language, and it is this HTML doesn't logic and doesn't adulation that, and HTML it is does this making designs. Yes. HTML job is the match simple. HTML character adulation of the
Page var rooms door windows that is the character. Example a title, a paragraph, a emoji, and bow, and a link suggestions for the page. So HTML basically tell the browsers what each paragraph or each of the page your page is and where is the goes.
number two. What SCC? Okay.
SCC stands for custom bonding style sheets, and if HTML is the skeleton of the house, then SCC is then designer and decorations. Yes, SCC control how everything looking. Yes, color, font, script, loud, shadows, background, animations, responsive designs for the mobile. Yes, everything that making and the website beautiful or modeling. That's it is SCC.
Number three. Var isn't HTML and SCC programming.
Because really programming language like the Python, JavaScript or the Java can convert logic, make the sessions, work the V data, build apps, run the IV and solve complex programming. Yes, HTML and SCC don't do any of that. HTML just make up convert. SCC just design the it.
Are essential for the website, but they are not programming language. Yes. And the number four, where is the HTML and SCC and use?
HTML and SCC are used for website and the web app. HTML convert to description for the page, locking the hiding text, emojis, bots, and the link. SCC control the appearance, color, font, layout, description, and the animation. Basically, on the website, you're on the online. See you online, Google, YouTube on the online stores, use the HTML and SCC. You can also use them is your app, emails, or the highlight app. But phones, computer, and the operating system themselves are not being with HTML and SCC. So if you want to make website your web interface, HTML and SCC are the first step.
Okay, so now you know what HTML and SCC and where is this HTML and SCC used. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much for my video. Yes, and goodbye.